So Ready to Love comes back on Friday. Ready to Love Miami. Speaking of Ready to Love, do y'all remember season 1.5 where it seemed like people were actually there to find love and not trying to make it to the end? You know, the good seasons. Well, at first I didn't remember who she was. She popped up on my timeline and I was like, where do I know her from? Well, do y'all remember Christina? She kind of didn't make it to the end. She was, I think, one of the first people to be eliminated. I think she was a lawyer. She said she was a lawyer on the show. Well, looks like she has been catching heat lately. Back in 2020, Christina was elected the first Black probate judge in Douglas County, so congratulations to her on that. But before she was even, a judge and just a candidate, people were looking through her social media posts and they did not like what they saw on her Instagram account. Check this video out.
Solicitation of gifts to a judge is extraordinarily problematic.
Michael Broyd teaches professional ethics at Emory Law School.
I would like to have a case in front of a judge who I've made a cash gift to. Wouldn't you?
Peterson qualified to run for probate judge in March 2020. She won the primary election in June and had no opposition in the November election. According to the JQC complaint, on her birthday last August, Peterson posted this on her official Christina J. public Instagram page. A picture of herself wearing a birthday tiara and listing her Cash App account. Quote, if anyone feels like sharing their quarantine wealth. When JQC investigators contacted the judge this year, the complaint says Peterson explained she thought that post was to her private personal page, and I was wondering on that day why I was getting Cash App from people I didn't know.
But that is not the only thing Christina has came under fire for. It looks like a woman wanted to change her father's name on her marriage license because she found out her real father's name after her wedding. But Christina felt that the lady, I guess, was lying under oath. Check this video out. I think the lady had to go to jail because of this.
Oh, you can go to jail for this. We didn't know that.
Yet there was Montavia Skelton rushing to the ATM in the Douglas County Courthouse to withdraw $500 because he said probate judge Christina Peterson told him that was the only way she'd release his wife from jail.
There was no way you could convince the judge that this was just a mistake.
Man, that case was over with.
Montavious and his wife PJ were married in 2016. She never knew her father, so on the marriage license application, the native of Thailand wrote down the name of the uncle who raised her. But this year, after learning her father's real name, PJ contacted the probate court because she thought she needed to let them know too.
So you guys thought it was just going to be an easy paperwork change?
An easy fix. If I known, to be honest with you, if I known that she would have went to jail behind this, I would have told her just forget about it.
Instead, Judge Peterson insisted they come in for a hearing where she found PJ in contempt of court for lying under oath and providing false information to the court back in 2016. She ordered the Henry County mother taken immediately to jail.
So you're standing in the courtroom and a deputy comes in and handcuffs your wife?
He was already there, but yeah, he was looking so confused.
He says when he tried to use his debit card to pay the $500 fine, Peterson insisted it had to be cash.
We filed an open records request with Judge Peterson asking for records showing what she did with that $500 in cash. Her lawyer responded by saying the judge isn't subject to the Open Records Act. So we tried again, saying that in the interest of transparency to show us the records anyway. That didn't work either.
Her attorney did send us a statement insisting all Douglas County courts require cash or certified funds for contempt fines or other fees, so there doesn't appear to be anything unusual about this requirement. But we're told they take
And that is
debit
not
cards.
the only alleged misconduct. It looks like she filed a complaint against an HOA with her clients, and she did not share the $70,000 settlement with the clients. Check this video out.
Special election to give the homeowners the opportunity to come, congregate, nominate, and elect their own board.
But I can only go by our legal. It's not third party.
The probate judge knows what she's talking about. Listen to her. She got 2 pending lawsuits against us right now.
The angry reaction to Peterson stems from a lawsuit she and others filed in 2017 against the HOA that led to a $70,000 settlement. According to a complaint filed against her by the Judicial Qualifications Commission, Peterson never shared that money with her clients.
Do solemnly affirm.
It's one of 50 counts of alleged misconduct Peterson now faces.
You're going to follow the law.
You're going to follow the law. Do what the Supreme Court tells you to do. How about you pay attention to that while you stole the $70,000 from your plaintiffs? Give them their money.
If you're suing and you're getting money or you're taking something from this community, I don't think you should be speaking out like that. Don't take that from somebody who ain't got nothing. So
You're going to continue to be not happy and you don't follow the law.
The J.
Alright, now that is the end of this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Did y'all know about this? Is this only like in the Georgia area where y'all knew? I did not know. Okay, I have not heard anybody talking about this. Comment down below, but make sure you subscribe. Bye guys.